In this video we are going to discuss about how to take a Premiere Pro project backup. So already here is a footage. I will back up this footage. Okay, so make sure sequence is selected. Go file, project manager, this dialog is open. Select the sequence from here, which sequence you want to take a backup. Make sure this one also checked. Exclude, it means if you are not using any footage in your sequence but imported in the project panel, exclude this footage or clips that you are not using in your sequence. Also make sure this one check, check. Also browse where you want to save this file, backup file, backup. Select this file, okay, and okay. So it will ask you to save this project before continuing. Okay. Yes, done. Go to desktop, backup, and save. Here is the file. So hope this helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.